The way you feel changes the way you see. Every day, you see the world through glasses distorted by emotion, leading you to only see what you feel. A single test can both be perceived as daunting or exciting, depending on the test taker's emotion. This can lead to feeling controlled by your emotions and overwhelmed by the consequences. You may not be able to fully control your emotions, but you can learn to manage them, and this can grant you increased control in your actions. One way to manage emotions is understanding how to alter predetermined emotions you create in your mind using optimism. Emotions act like formulas on calculators. Let me tell you what this means. Based off our prior experiences, we construct models of how to feel in certain situations. Just like how calculators use formulas to find solutions. A calculator correlates certain formulas with certain products as your brain correlates certain experiences with certain emotions. But you are not a calculator, and you can change your program using optimism. Now, this won't cure any medical conditions or control your emotions with precision, but through practice, it will help you manage them better and gain more control over your actions. Tomorrow's going to suck because of my math test, and stating that you've predetermined 24 hours will suck due to a single test, and this could potentially ruin unrelated moments during the day because you will be so focused on finding negativity around you. It's easy to find negativity, but we can also find the positivity if we stay optimistic. There are always positives and negatives every day. It just depends on where you look. Now, don't be ignorant of negativity. You must see both the positivity and negativity to obtain a neutral perspective. In this neutral perspective, your logic, empathy, and satisfaction will all improve without emotional distortion because you will see reality the way it truly is. Stay optimistic and change your reality today. Thank you.